Hi, this is Janice bringing you another gorgeous home coming up for sale today in Humboldt. Look at this beautiful live oak. I love this front yard. I think it just looks so great. This is a 1-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's just really it's just such a really nice floor plan. Come on in, let's have a look and see what you think. It's a great quiet area, really nice inviting floor plan. And you'll see they've got it set up here as a study right as you come in on the left. It could also be just a sitting area. It could be, a lot of things basically. And then this next area is actually the formal dining room. They've got it as a secondary, kind of like a media room. Nice high ceilings and a very open plan. As you can see, it's a very open kitchen right out to the living area. And as you can see, it's just really a nice, solid floor plan that, everybody would really enjoy. So if we walk through here, I'm going to take you into the primary owner's suite here. Really good, generous size bedroom. There's a lot of furniture in here with a king-size bed, just so you can see. And then we have a nice soaker tub on the left. There was a shower there too, and a nice beautiful walk-in closet, really good size. You can see the shower to the left, the door is just kind of on top of that. And then the water closet to the left as well. Real nice size, double sinks. Again, the closet is very large as well. So the owner's retreat here is on one side of the house, and then the secondary bedrooms is where I'm headed next, and that is on the other side of the house. So it's kind of nice to have that separation. So to the left here is a beautiful pantry, double door pantry, and then we're going to see the laundry to the right. As you can see, nice, gorgeous space in there. You can do a lot with that. And then also a double sink, large bathroom for the rest of the house, basically servicing the rest of the house, the secondary bedrooms and guests as well. It's got its separate bath, as you can see. And then the secondary bedrooms, we've got a closet to the right. Secondary bedrooms is here, nice size with the high ceilings. They each have walk-in closets, so they're really nice size, and having that walk-in closet is kind of unusual for a property this size. So really spacious, and like I say, the floor plan just works for a family. It works for also for empty nesters. It's all 1 story. Give me a call. I'd love to show you this fabulous property. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for stopping by.